Hello, welcome to another video, and like in the previous videos I will select interesting article to read, and I choose this article that seems to be interesting, and it is published in eLife Sciences. Different theta frameworks coexist in the rat hippocampus and are coordinated during memory-guided and novelty tasks. So this is the title of the study, and let's read the abstract of it. Hippocampal firing is organized in theta sequences, controlled by internal memory processes and by external sensor cues. But how these computations are coordinated is not fully understood. Although theta activity is commonly studied as a unique, coherent oscillation, it is the result of complex interactions between rhythm generators. Here, by separating hippocampal theta activity in three current generators, so they found like variable theta frequency and phase coupling, suggesting a flexible interactions between theta generators. We found that highly synchronized theta rhythmicity preferentially occur during behavioral tasks requiring coordination between internal memory representations and incoming sensory information. In addition, we found that gamma oscillations were associated with specific theta generators, and the strength of theta-gamma coupling predicted the synchronization between theta generators. We propose a mechanism for segregating or integrating hippocampal computations based on the flexible coordination of different theta frameworks to accommodate the cognitive needs. That is interesting. So this is the abstract of article, and this is the eLife comment, so journal comment, and it's simplified like a simplified abstract. In the brain, a vast number of neurons coordinate their activity to support complex cognitive processes. One of the best places to see this in action is hippocampus, a brain structure with a key role in memory and navigation. The hippocampus shows waves of electrical activity which represent the synchronized firing of large number of neurons. The hippocampus can generate multiple rhythms at once. The two main rhythms are theta and gamma. Theta waves are slow, with a frequency of about 8 Hz. Gamma waves are faster, with a frequency of up to 120, even more. Theta waves are always present, but gamma waves occur in brief bursts. These bursts usually correspond to a particular point on the theta wave. One burst may occur just before each peak of the theta wave. For example, another burst may occur just after the peak. This separation enables individual bursts of gamma to carry different messages without them becoming mixed up. This is similar to how radio stations broadcast their signals at different frequencies to avoid interference. By recording hippocampal activity in rats exploring a maze, so those authors show that the hippocampus has not one but 3 generators. That's interesting. But having 3 sources of theta, each of which can be synchronized with gamma, provides a more versatile system for encoding and sending information. It also means that the 3 theta generators can change the degree to which they coordinate their firing. This helps the brain combine or separate streams of information as required by working together to create a single theta rhythm. For example, the 3 theta generators can help animals combine information stored in memory with incoming sensory input. How the coordination of theta rhythms influences the activity of other brain regions involved in learning and memory unclear. However, uncoupling the theta and gamma waves seems to be an early sign of Alzheimer's disease and can also be seen in the brains of people with schizophrenia and other psychiatric disorders. Understanding how this process occurs could provide clues to the origin of these disorders. So that's quite interesting. And so there is no one theta generators. There are 3 theta generators, and they show that they change with during the memory guided and novelty tasks. That's interesting, like adaptating somehow. So these are the more explanation of it. So if you're interested in, you can read it. Overall, our results provide functional evidence supporting independent theta oscillations in the hippocampus, whose coordination can be seen as a mechanism to channel information between hippocampal layers. Synchronized theta states may bind distributed computations, while less synchronized theta states may secure relatively independent processing in local circuits. What might be the mechanism coordinating the theta works? We show that theta phase looking across hippocampal layers is associated with stronger CFC. Furthermore, directionality analysis demonstrate that band and pathway-specific gamma activity consistently precede the theta waves, possibly contributing to the synchronization of theta oscillations across layers. We thus hypothesize that the CFC reflects a mechanism operated by local excitation inhibition interactions to coordinate neural computations in separated theta frameworks. In a network with multiple connected nodes, theta phase docking between specific nodes would further contribute to the directionality of the information flow, habilitating targets between which communication is permitted or prevented in defined time windows. We have provided evidence supporting this hypothesis by showing that CFC and the coordination between the theta current generators recorded in the hippocampus increase in the mnemonic process. Okay, seems quite interesting, and it's about physics and psychiatry, and also includes some complicated patterns. And thanks for watching this video, and I will share the link of the study in the description. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.